Three blokes ranking sauces, scores at the end, nutritional value at the end. Beerenberg tomato sauce up this week. Let's get it on.
That's disgusting.
I'm a mayo guy.
Creaminess, 2.5 out of 5.
Creaminess, 2.3.
Tanginess, 1 out of 5.
Tanginess, it's really tangy. 4.5. Tanginess, 3.8.
Consistency, 3 out of 5.
Consistency, give it a 3. Consistency, 2.6. 2.6.
Richness, 1 out of 5.
Richness, give it a 4.5. Richness, 4.1. Overall, 3.8. 4.25.
Giving that like a 1.5 out of 5.
Shit.